everyone. Let's continue with our chapter Direct and Indirect Speech. In our previous video, we have learned about what is narration and how the pronouns, place, and time expressions change when we turn the sentence from direct to indirect speech. Today, we will learn how all the 4 types of sentences, that is declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence can be converted into indirect speech. So let's start with declarative sentence. In declarative sentence, for converting the sentence from direct to indirect, we use that before the reported statement. For example, Sumi said, I have written a poem. The indirect speech will be Sumi said that she had written a poem. Next is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we have 2 options. The first option, in interrogative sentence, if there is yes-no question in the direct speech, then the reported speech will start with whether or if, and reported clause form will be subject plus verb. For example, Leela asked me, are you hungry? Indirect speech will be Leela asked me if or whether. We can use if or whether. I was hungry, full stop. Next, second one is if there is a question starting with question word. In such cases, while converting from direct to indirect, the WH word would be the subject or the object of the reported clause. For example, Sanjay asked Roni, why did you shout? While converting into indirect speech, Sanjay asked Roni why he had shouted. Full stop. Now, the next type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. To change direct exclamatory speeches to the indirect one, we need to replace interjection like hooray, wow, alas, oh, etc. with that. And the exclamatory WH words what, how will be replaced by very before the adjective. The reported adjective in the reported speech. For example, Ravi said, hooray, we won the game. Ravi exclaimed with joy that we had won the game. The last one, imperative sentences. So in imperative sentence, we use to as joining clause before the reported command or request, and the reported verb will be changed according to the moods of the sentence, that is order, request, advise, etc. For example, the man said, Please bring me a chair. The man requested to bring him a chair. I think it is clear to everybody. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.